Let's enjoy your precious time. ycr-m02 cleaning robot gives you spare time for your life. Once you have nice talking time with your family, ycr-m02 cleans instead of you. ycr-m02 does not care about a wall or a threshold because it has a sensor to sense a threshold, and a ground obstacle protects from falling down, and the infrared sensors to protect from a clash. Don't worry about furniture and wallpaper damage from impacts. Soft movement of ycr-m02 attached flexible silicone bumpers makes to diminish from scratches or damages of furniture and wallpaper. Let it clean at ease. It has more powerful vacuum suctioning and softer power brushes to intake useless stuff strongly on the bottom and to reduce a scratch of bottom. Also, 4 steps filter system removes fine dust effectively. Various cleaning mode is a source of pride as well as makes your space cleaner. Powerful performance and slip design of ycr-m02 cleans under beds, a sofa, and a desk we can't clean. ycr-m02 starts charging itself if the battery is dead. Improving battery performance has longer battery time and faster charging time to clean easily. How about noise? ycr-m02 reduces noise through special design method. Now, you can enjoy cleaning same time with watching TV and talking on the phone. Also, ycr-m02 added timer function starts cleaning anytime you want, if you want to go out. Clean your home after you come back. It happens no longer in your imagination. Freedom of modern person living in a ubiquitous world. Smart cleaning robot, ycr-m02 leads the head. Cleaning takes over smart ycr-m02 for you to enjoy your precious time. iClever.